Hello students, welcome to the channel Science Made Easy with Jyoti. This channel will help you to understand different concepts of class 10 science in an easy manner and also help you to learn to answer different types of questions. I will be dealing with concept based and competency based questions in each session. To benefit more, subscribe to my channel. So now let's move to today's question. Explain hypermetropia, its causes and its corrective measures. Hypermetropia is also an eye defect which is called long-sightedness. Before we understand this defect, let us first recollect few facts about the eyes. The first, the near point of a normal eye is 25 centimeters. Second, the distance between the eye lens and the retina for a normal eye is about 2.5 centimeters. So, a normal person can see objects kept at near point, that is 25 centimeters, very clearly. Now, this is shown by the first diagram. You can see that the rays coming from the near part are focusing on retina, enabling to see the objects clearly. Now, when the person has hypermetropia, then the near point recedes away from 25 centimeters. So, the person is not able to see objects kept closer to the eye. As you can see in the second diagram, the normal near point is at 25 centimeters, which is shown by the letter N. And in this case, the near point has receded away from 25 centimeter at N dash. And so, this person will now be able to see the objects clearly, kept at this new near point only. And the objects which are kept closer will focus behind the retina. Now, the third diagram also shows that the near point of this eye has receded away. Let us now understand the causes of hypermetropia. The first cause is the focal length of the eye lens is too long, which means the lens is not able to become thicker as required to focus the nearby objects. The second reason is the eyeball is too small. That is, the distance between the eye lens and the retina is less than 2.5 centimeters. Due to this, the image formed is behind the retina. Now, this can be corrected by using a convex lens of suitable power. Now, this lens converges the light before it falls on the lens so that the light can pass through the lens and focus on the retina, giving you a perfect vision. For more such videos, please like and subscribe my channel. Good luck and great learning!